For my final, I chose to look at the Hawaiian bobtail squid. Biological classification. The Hawaiian bobtail squid belongs to the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Mollusca, class Cephalopod, and order Cephalida. The defining characteristics of organisms in this phylum are bilateral symmetry, more than 2 cell layers, tissues and organs, has a nervous system and an open circulatory system. Mollusca also produce sexually. Aquatic habitat. The Hawaiian bobtail squid lives off the shallow coastal waters of Hawaii. The similar bobtail squid lives in shallow coastal waters in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, therefore making the squid a coastal organism. Anatomy and unique adaptations. The organism belongs to the secondary consumer trophic level, as it eats misted shrimp and some crustaceans, making it a predator. This picture illustrates the various components of the Hawaiian bobtail squid external anatomy. The Hawaiian bobtail squid survives by burying itself in the day and coming out at night to hunt. It also uses bioluminescence and inking as defense mechanisms. The Hawaiian bobtail squid is a mobile organism using its paddle-shaped fins to swim similar to how a cuttlefish does. This organism, like all other mollusca, exchanges its gases and breathes through its gill slits. The Hawaiian bobtail squid uses bioluminescence to deter predators by allowing bioluminescent bacteria to enter a special cavity of its body, causing a symbiotic relationship with them, therefore allowing the squid to glow. If all else fails, the squid uses a burst of ink to aid in evading its predators. Reproduction and life cycle. The bobtail squid reproduces sexually, meaning that it must find a mate. The squid reaches sexual maturity after just 2 months and will lay its eggs unguarded under the sandy ocean floor. The squid lays clutches between 50 and 200 eggs, thus allowing for the average number of offspring to be between 100 and 150 organisms. There are no specific breeding intervals for this organism, showing that the organism will mate infrequently. Because the Hawaiian bobtail squid produces many offspring with low parental investment, the organism is classified as an R strategist. The organism also has a small body and rapid sexual maturity. Sadly, the average lifespan of this organism is a very quick 2 to 3 months in the wild. Human impact. Unfortunately, humans have caused much harm in the habitat in which the Hawaiian bobtail squid resides. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices have contributed to shaking up the food chain, which has affected this squid. Also, with the increase in ocean temperatures, a phenomenon called mass coral bleaching has led to the destruction of many coral reefs. Surprisingly, the Hawaiian bobtail squid has been the center of many studies, mainly involving how this organism obtains bioluminescence. One study found a link to the bacteria found in the squid to the bacteria that lies in our stomach, which controls our circadian rhythm. This study has shown that antibiotics have killed many bacteria in our body, including these good ones. Studies like this may change how we look and use antibiotics in the future. These studies are also important because they raise awareness to the importance of this creature and the environment, which in return will help reduce our global impact on them.